Hello there, welcome to my couch where I don't normally film. But you know what else doesn't normally happen? Not normally sweating this profusely. Whoa, wobble arm. We're gonna do a vlog style. I don't know what this video is gonna be right now because I'm gonna try out a new beauty product and I was supposed to try it a long time ago and it's a self tanner. So I've always have to wait for the perfect time, so I'm afraid I'm gonna stain my sheets. I'm afraid if I have something important to do the next day that it will be all splotchy and not look good. I have stuff to do tomorrow, just whacked myself in the nose, but I really need to get this review up, so we're gonna share that. My dad is here, which also doesn't normally happen, and we're trying to put in my air conditioner. It is the 2nd of July, folks, almost 4th of July. And it was like 90 degrees today, 100 yesterday. I literally could not stay here because it was so hot because I don't have air conditioning and I've sweated through 2 summers here without one. And finally, I just decided to get one, but it's actually been mission impossible to put it in. We need boards to level it out. I had to go out and buy an extension cord. This is air conditioner installation from hell. So I look disgusting. I'm so sorry. It's been a very long day, but we're gonna try out this beauty product to get my mind off of it. So came in this really pretty packaging. It's from Isle of Paradise, which just launched in Sephora in May. They are, I believe, cruelty-free and vegan. So everything I use on my channel now is cruelty-free and in real life, not just on my channel, because I'm only using cruelty-free beauty products. And this is actually a tanning water. And it came from Glasgow because it has a cool little Royal Mail sticker on it. Do you see this? So this came from the UK. How special. So I've not opened it up yet. I'm super excited to try it. I know you can't get your skin wet for 6 hours afterwards while it sets in. So I guess I'm gonna have to take a shower tomorrow, even though I feel disgusting, but I hope sweat doesn't count because I might honestly sweat it off and make it splotchy. And I meant to get a tanning mitt to try this out because it says to use one, but I forgot. I don't think it comes with one. Anyway, you know, let me tell you more about this product. It's awesome. They were nice to send this to me through Octoly, so thank you guys so much. And I'll probably have to give you guys more of an updated review in the future once I've been using it for a little while, because this is just gonna be a really botched first impressions. So sorry, but you know what? Life happens, and I'm just trying not to die of a heat stroke, and I'm gonna have a bunch of people visiting me tomorrow. So I'm supposed to be cleaning the heck out of my apartment right now, but it's too hot. I need to vacuum, but it's too hot, girl. We're gonna do a little mail unboxing on my couch. Look at these cute little stickers. They're just bent because it was going around the product, but look how adorable. Cruelty-free, I love that one. Isle of Paradise, vegan. Look how cute. And it's a real person sticker. Oh my gosh, those are adorable. I need to put them on everything. And then it came with this little card too. These are the little paperwork it came with. So I was expecting a box, but honestly this is cuter. And how many boxes do you need? Oh my goodness. So this is how it came wrapped up. It's so cute. I love that sticker. So this is so unique because it's a spray. I'm hoping this is the Lazy Girl's answer to her prayers for self-tanning. So here's the bottle itself. I got it in the shade light, although if you were pale and you wanted a super tan, you could probably go darker. They called this one the peach one, and it doesn't have a cap, which I find kind of odd, but okay. And it's also organic self-tanning water with color correcting actives to even skin tone. Hello sun-kissed glow, and it's 6.76 ounces. So it has a peach base for a natural sun-kissed glow with no streaks, no smells, or orange tones. So this is supposed to give you your best glow ever. And it has organic tanning actives, avocado, chia seed, and coconut oils for a happy, hydrated glow. We love clean tanning, so you'll never find these in our products. Parabens, sulfates, mineral oils, or phthalates. We're just gonna pretend we're in my normal pretty setup while I read these directions. So you're supposed to exfoliate 24 hours before tanning. I usually use a scrub every time I shower, but last night in my shower, I was at my parents' house, so I didn't die from not having air conditioning, but I didn't have my scrub there, so I actually did not. So I'm not doing this right. Whoops. Moisturize dry areas such as hands, feet, knees, ankles. So you're supposed to mist until your skin is totally saturated, covering your face, hands, and feet last before blending with a tanning mitt. Which, like I said, I didn't get one. I knew I forgot something at Walgreens. Wash palms after use, and then your tan develops in 4 to 6 hours. So in the meantime, eat some ice cream, watch a movie, call a girlfriend. Just don't get the tan wet while it develops. I love that. So cute. It says carry out a patch test 24 hours prior to application. Ain't got time for that, girl, sorry. Let's go try this. I feel like I should use it in my shower in case it gets everywhere. Like, where do you apply? I'm just gonna go stand in the shower. Do I need my tripod? God, it's too hot for this. I've got a bobby pin sticking out of my ponytail this whole time, haven't I? Wondered where that bugger went. Good. I call myself a beauty guru. All right, so several hours later, we are back. I was debating whether to take a shower or not tonight, but we're gonna try this. Spray until totally saturated. Oh man, tan products get me so nervous. I don't know why. I hope this doesn't make me feel sticky. Ooh, this is easy. This is fun. That part of my leg is totally wet. I'm just gonna do my lower legs in this so I don't run the risk of flashing anybody. So it's kind of late at night now, so I'm gonna have to let you guys know in the morning how this goes. But it smells nice, a slight kind of fruity scent almost, and it's definitely getting the floor soaked. So I'm glad I did this in the tub. Where would you guys use this? Let me know. Sorry you're just talking to my legs right now. Hi, how are you guys? I'm gonna finish up here. Hopefully you can hear me over the fan. So this didn't say anything about letting it dry before you put on clothes or anything like that. So I'm literally just standing in front of this fan. I feel a little sticky. I rubbed it in with my hands afterwards, which felt good, because otherwise there would have been way too much on me. And I think I might use maybe too much, I'm not sure. I put it under my armpits too, because whenever I watch self-tanning videos, they say like, don't forget your armpits, because it looks really weird if you forget. I don't know. I'm not the biggest self-tanner in the world, but even the tiniest bit of tan I will get so excited over because I'm so pale. I think especially on my lower legs I use way too much because I was like kind of half talking to the camera. Can you tell? Look how much I used up doing my whole body just now. It's like not exactly flat. It's like here-ish already. But, oh, I love this bottle. It's so cute. So it's 2 in the morning now. So in 4 to 6 hours when this is supposed to develop, I will still be sleeping, I hope. So I will check in with you guys in the morning and see what it looks like. For now, I still feel a little bit sticky, but I smell nice. So I might take like a baby wipe to it under my armpits or like a tissue or something, because that is not pleasant. But I did spray a little in my hands and on my face, and I spread it on my feet and hands, and this fan is not interesting to look at. So good night for now. Oh my god, I know it's different lighting because it's the next day, and I had like all these sleep marks all over me from like laying down, you know, when you wake up with lines all over you. So forgive that, but like you can clearly see the difference. It worked. Oh my gosh, I feel like in some places it looks a little red on me because like I have like really pinky undertones. Thank you. My 5% Irish takes over all of my skin tone. But it does look tan and nice. I like the way it looks in real life. Like these don't even look like my legs. And I feel like I did apply it to my hands, but then I also wanted to wash my palms. So I feel like here it's a little faded. But it didn't really sink into my knuckles or anything like that. For someone who didn't exfoliate, it's pretty good. And then I did go over the dry areas with lotion after I sprayed this on and checked in with you guys. So I did it on my elbows, my hands, knees, and then my ankles and my feet. I don't think it's really on my hands too bad. A little bit, like, especially this one, at least in this lighting. Like they're kind of the same color as the back of my hand. But I don't think it looks terrible. You definitely don't see it too much. So, oh, I love this. I love this. It was sticky for quite a long time, like until I fell asleep last night for like maybe 2 hours afterwards. So maybe I put on too much, but I definitely see a difference. So I used a good amount and it did not stain my tub, which is good. However, the downside to doing it in the tub or anywhere really, because I read a bunch of reviews on this on Sephora and other websites after I started filming this, which was that the best idea? Maybe I should have done it first. I don't know. But this is the one drawback. Oh my god, that's my foot. That does not look good because you're standing in puddles of it. It has more exposure, and I didn't really rinse off my feet afterwards. I didn't really think about the bottom of my feet. I did like stand on a tissue when I got out because my feet were just so slippery. They would have slid everywhere. And I avoided stepping on this bath mat. Isn't this a cute shower curtain too? Like, hi. new location. But I don't know what would happen if it got on this rug. Probably nothing, because it is clear, so it didn't stain the bathtub. It didn't stain my sheets. I didn't really look, but I don't think it did. Didn't stain my clothes, so that's really good. But a lot of people don't like that it doesn't have a color guide, so you're kind of just blindly doing it. So for someone who didn't use a mitt, it did pretty good job on my hands. I've heard a lot of people say, well, this has mixed reviews. A lot of people love it, and a lot of people say it's splotchy, and some people say it fades perfectly, and some people say it fades in chunks. So I'm gonna have to let you know about that. Please, please, please check out the comments down below if you're watching this on any day other than July 3rd when it's going up. And if you're watching on the 3rd, hello, have a good 4th tomorrow, but maybe check in, see updates. Follow me on my Instagram, so I'll probably post a story or a post or something. Hopefully this fades nicely, because I love this color. Like, I don't think I've ever actually been this tan in my life. I really do not tan, I burn, and this is like a few shades darker than what my natural tan would be. But yeah, the feet situation is not great. It doesn't look quite as bad in this lighting, but like it's all in my toe, and I blended it in between my toes too, but they definitely look so dark. And then like the bottoms definitely do not look normal, so that's like my one tell. Like, this one's way worse. So my one tell, I used fake tan, but other than that, this does not look too splotchy anywhere to me, and it didn't like get into creases. These literally don't look like my legs. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I love this. I'm about to tell my friend about this, but I want to make sure it doesn't fade weird first. But oh my gosh, my legs never look like this. I feel like I could use a little more on my face, but maybe I'll be able to finally use my summer foundation shade. It's a little less prominent up here, but like these don't look like my arms. Like, they are so crispy, not crispy, but like so perfectly sun-kissed, and I love them, and I just keep looking at it. It does kind of develop that fake tan smell, like similar to Jergens Natural Glow after a while. When you first put it on, it's a little perfumey, fruity, and then like an hour in, I started smelling that kind of fake tan smell as I was falling asleep. So you kind of have to get used to that. It's a little annoying, but I really like it. If it fades well, I'm gonna keep using this and keep touching it up when it fades. It doesn't say how often to do it, but I could just see myself being addicted to this. Is this the time I finally get into a self tanner and love it? Like, even in my elbows, it didn't crease or anything. So I'm pretty happy with it so far. My face is just really like oily, so I think it did get a little darker actually, because I looked in the mirror this morning and I was like, whoa. But I do like this so far. Stay tuned for updates. Thanks again to Isle of Paradise. I'll link this down below. They have 3 shades. This is the lightest. I've seen people who are very fair skinned do the medium, and they have more problems with blending, it looks like, based on pictures on like Sephora and stuff. And I don't know, I think I'm gonna have to pick up a mitt just so I'm not nervous about getting my hands stained in the future. So let me know where to get those. Can you get them at a drugstore? Do I have to go somewhere high-end? Let me know, because I'll be looking for one in the near future. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful and you enjoyed. Sorry it's all over the place, but I kind of like these more informal videos anyways, because sometimes just being in your setup all the time, it gets a little boring. And we like went out into the field to go test this out, am I right? So thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, so I know, so it helps out my channel, and so I make more videos like this, trying out new funky products. Let me know what your favorite self tanner is. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already to join our GlamBAM fam. I also have a second vlogging channel you should check out, as well as my social media. I have a Facebook page, Twitter, and then 2 Instagrams. One's Candle and Wax and Bath & Body Works, and the other's my personal and beauty. So hopefully I will see you guys over there, and have a great 4th if you're in the US. If not, just have a great regular week, I guess. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. 3, 2, 1, bam!